Hello. To pick up where we left off, we're doing agency bill 100%, meaning billing the insured for monthly installments or quarterly installments. We've added our premium, an agency fee, broker fee, surplus lines, and the stamp tax. Well, a stamping fee, I'm sorry. So to the right of the premium line, I'm going to generate the transaction. What this is going to do is it's going to open up the agency commission and the agent commission tracking. And then we have our receivable, accounts receivable, and this is the chart from which we're going to build these receivables to invoice. I'm selecting the down payment. I'm selecting 25%, and I'm going to have 3 remaining payments. Now, you can always have this 25, this entry here be a dollar amount. And then if you want to add a processing fee, you can. I do want to add all payables because I'm going to retain my commission out of each payable. If I'm just going to retain my full commission from just the one payable and the agency is going to move that to where it needs to be, that's something that's decided by your agency. So I'm checking this and then I'm going to select OK. So all I did was I entered in my quarterly payment due dates. I matched those due dates to the payables so that these can be matched easily. And then lastly, if I'm going to retain commission as earned from each payable, I'm going to need to build a commission payment schedule. It's similar to when you built out the accounts receivable and payable structures. I'm selecting 25%, 3 remaining payments, and then I'm going to generate this transaction. Okay, so and then I also added the due date to match the accounts receivable and the accounts payable due dates. It makes it much easier to align the payables with the proper agency commission schedule. So once that's complete, then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom left, and then I'm going to select Save and Create Multiple Invoices for Receivables. It's going to display a pop-up that's going to indicate that my endorsement's been saved successfully. And then it's going to ask me if I want to see my invoice schedule. And now we have our invoice schedule. This concludes the second part of this video series.